If your air conditioner keeps cycling on and off all the time, it's probably driving you nuts and making your energy bills skyrocket. So first, check your thermostat settings, because sometimes it's just set wrong or placed somewhere that messes with the reading, like near a window or a heat source. Next, give your air filter some love. Dirty filters block airflow and make your unit work harder, causing it to shut off too soon. You should clean or replace the filter every month during heavy use. Also, see if your refrigerant levels are okay, because low refrigerant means the system can't cool properly and cycles more often trying to catch up. Don't forget to peek at electrical connections too. Loose or corroded wires can cause the compressor to short cycle. Another tip is to keep your outdoor unit free from debris like leaves and grass that can block airflow. Make sure your vents inside aren't blocked by furniture or curtains so air flows smoothly. Lastly, sometimes your AC might be too big or too small for the space, which messes with how it cycles. So if you're constantly having issues, a professional size check might be needed. One of the biggest problems with frequent cycling on and off is ignoring the air filter. It's super common but easy to fix. Just swapping it out regularly can save you a ton of headaches. Another mistake is ignoring low refrigerant levels, because this not only causes short cycling but can also damage your compressor over time. Calling a technician to recharge it is the way to go. And then there's bad electrical connections. People often overlook this since it isn't visible, but if wires are loose or corroded, your system won't run smoothly and might shut down unexpectedly. Tightening and cleaning connections keeps everything running steady. BigHomeProjects.com is a lifesaver for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the hassle of endless searching or worrying about scams. It also helps contractors connect with real clients looking for their services, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.